In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need reliable and agile networks. Traditional networks struggle to keep up. SD-WAN is the answer. SD-WAN stands for Software-Defined Wide Area Network. It is a modern approach to networking. SD-WAN offers flexibility and control that traditional networks lack. Businesses are rapidly adopting cloud-based applications. This shift demands a network that can keep pace. SD-WAN ensures optimal performance for these cloud applications. It simplifies network management and enhances security. SD-WAN offers a new way to manage network traffic. It uses software to control the network. This is different from traditional networks that rely on hardware. This software-defined approach brings flexibility. Businesses can quickly adapt their network to changing needs. SD-WAN offers significant cost savings for businesses. It reduces the reliance on expensive MPLS connections. MPLS stands for multi-protocol label switching. It is a traditional but costly way to connect business locations. SD-WAN can use more affordable internet connections. This includes broadband and 4G/5G. By using a mix of connection types, businesses optimize their network costs. SD-WAN can intelligently route traffic. It uses the most cost-effective connection available. This can lead to substantial savings on telecommunication expenses. Security is a top concern for businesses in today's digital landscape. SD-WAN enhances network security through the use of advanced security protocols. This includes encryption and microsegmentation, which help protect sensitive data as it travels across the network. Microsegmentation allows businesses to create secure segments within their network, limiting the impact of a security breach. Even if one part of the network is compromised, the rest remains protected. Across various industries, businesses are experiencing the benefits of SD-WAN. Retail companies use SD-WAN to improve the customer experience, ensuring reliable connectivity for point-of-sale systems and inventory management applications. Manufacturing firms leverage SD-WAN to connect remote factories, allowing for real-time visibility into production processes. Healthcare organizations are using SD-WAN to enable telehealth services, providing secure and reliable connections for remote patient monitoring. These are just a few examples of how SD-WAN is transforming businesses. SD-WAN enhances operational efficiency, enables new business models, and delivers cost savings. The real-world impact of SD-WAN is undeniable. The future of business will be driven by technologies that enable agility, efficiency, and innovation. SD-WAN is a foundational technology for this future. As businesses embrace digital transformation, South Dakota WAN will play an increasingly vital role. It is a key enabler of technologies like edge computing, which brings computation and data storage closer to the user. SD-WAN ensures reliable and secure connections to these edge locations. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another area where SD-WAN will be crucial. SD-WAN can manage the massive amount of data generated by connected devices, providing the necessary bandwidth and security for IoT deployments. SD-WAN is not just about improving today's networks, it's about unlocking the potential of future technologies. Embrace the power of SD-WAN to drive your business forward. Discover the benefits and see how it can transform your network.